So I finally chased down the notorious AC sound, which I thought it was the timing chain going bad. But everything on the drive belt has been replaced, including the AC compressor, water pump, tensioner. I replaced the the alternator out, but I got the same sound, and I put the old one back on and took the new one back to AutoZone. But I found the issue. There is a bracket bolt for the AC itself that basically loosens up over time, and I was able to take it out by hand today. And then once I put some little thread lock on there and I tightened it down, sound went away. So before you do a timing chain or try to follow all this stuff or change out all this stuff, look at these AC bracket bolts and make sure that's not the problem first. Save you a lot of money, because these ACs alone, compressors alone, are like $250, and that's reman. That's not even brand new. That's not counting labor. That's not counting the AC charge or anything. So just a heads up for anybody going through this, check those brackets first.